Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to enable data saving mode on Discord. So first things first, we're going to need to go to our Discord profile. And for us to go, we need to look at the icons that are at the bottom of my screen right now. We have about 5 icons, but we need to click on the one that is on the bottom right corner, the little profile icon that has your profile picture on it. We're going to click on that, and that will bring us here. Once we get to here, we need to scroll down and we need to stop here at app settings. So you have voice, appearance, accessibility, language, and text and media. We're going to stop there because we need to click on text and media. And once we get here, we have display images, videos, and locats, video uploads, and then we have data consumption. And then we have data saving mode. So all you have to do is flip the switch on data saving mode like this. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.